have such, this is how we keep our accounts, viewers. Ye dekhiye, I want to ask today, which media owner in India, Ishkaran, can come on a TV program and hold his book of accounts?
Yes.
I will do this today, viewers. I, Arnab Goswami, after 24 years in the media, after breaking the biggest scams in the country, after having given his life to serve the nation, after having fought the anti-nationals, after having exposed the biggest stories, today my crime is that I built my own organization. We hire 1,000 people. We are not a normal news organization because we are a journalist-owned organization. So it is being told to me that I am a robber. So I stand before you today. I want justice today, viewers. Enough is enough. I stand before you with my book of accounts. I want justice in this country. I want everyone, the Prime Minister, the President of India, the Governor, all to give me justice. I want the people of India to give me justice. I was told today that I am a thief. I took 32 lakh rupees and I put it in my pocket and I bought my viewership. I stand before you today, viewers, with my account book. Ishkaran, I will show you today. And I want to know whether the people of India want me to sue Parambir Singh. Viewers, can the camera come close or I will go to the camera today? Either my camera person comes close or I will go to the camera. Viewers, this is how Republic Network puts its account. Please see. And I'll show you. Nupur, ye dekho. Nupur, see. Nupur, see this today. And remember the date. That today an editor stood in his newsroom with his book of accounts. Everybody who says things about me, no? Today, I have got the exact page. I want a movement in the exact page. Please see, it's a very small type. You will see here, this is the Hansa Vision, viewers. Please, do you see this, viewers? Which editor in this country can do that? I can't move my hand too much because of the bandage, but I'll show you. This is Hansa Vision, viewers. Hansa Vision. Can you see it, Sundaram? This is my order. This is a RO. Republic keeps its accounts like this. This is an RO receipt. RO receipt. And you will see here, Hansa Vision has bought time. Arnab Show, Evening Time Band, Republic TV Total, and the account gross value, viewers. I will tell you today. Parambir Singh has said this about me. I will show you. Can you see in handwritten notes here? Can you please bring it? Let me go there. Can a second camera come to me? Otherwise, I'll move to camera 7. I will not take this lying down anymore, viewers. I want the courts of this country to know this today. You don't like my style of talking. You think Arnab is too loud. You think Arnab is too confrontational, too direct. You don't agree with my style of journalism. Fine. But I will not be subject to this vilification campaign anymore. Please, can a camera come in? Please pick up the camera and bring it today. And I can't move here because there are too many wires around me. But this is live right now. And I want to show this. Bring it here, my friends. Bring it here. They say to us, and I'm telling my studio, they say to us, we are thieves. I want to know whether India Today group can do what I'm doing today. I want to know whether Times of India can do what they're doing. They're doing fine. But this is the money received, gross value. This is the book of accounts. This is the book of accounts. It says Hansa Vision Limited, phone number, state, country. Please see this. And it says here net value. We've done the calculation. And 31,61,054 rupees. 31,61,054 rupees. This is the money we got. This money we got. This is advertising money. Please see here. Do you see this category spot buy? These are technical languages for advertising. You do spot buy or you do premium buy. Do you see Arnab Show, Evening Time Band? Do you see this, viewers? And do you see how every rupee is accounted? Every rupee. I will show you here. Niranjan, show them. 1,46,370 rupees. Which media company writes it like this? Which media company writes it like this? Now I will show you once again. Please see here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Hansa Vision Private Limited. Hansa Vision Private Limited. Please see a 4th floor Elphinstone House, Murzaban Fort, Mumbai. And this client here is Isuzu Motors. Do you see the name of the client? Do you see this? Do you see this, viewers? Nupur, are you seeing this on TV? Ishkaran, I'm being told there is a money trail on me.
Yes.
Isuzu Motors has advertised in my channel.
Deplorable.
Today, let the people of the country know that Arnab is not a thief. I am not a thief. This is my legitimate income. This is the result of our hard work. I will show again. Come here. Please come here, Niranjan. Show them.
This is absolutely
No, I want to show this today. Which company keeps its account book like this? Will NDTV, Times of India come and with their heads show their account book like this? They attack me. My company, RJ Outlier Media, has, and I'm showing here, Hansa Vision India Private Limited ledger account. See this, PK Jain, before you people ask me a question. Ledger account, Maharashtra. Do you see this, viewers? 1st April 16 to 31st March 2019. I want, look here, Niranjan, bring the camera down and show it to them how we keep the money receivable and the money paid. Do you see how this is done? Ketan, Prafulla Ketkar, आज मीडिया में कौन सी कंपनी का कौन सा एडिटर इन चीफ ये ऐसे दिखा सकता है? एक पैसा. This is advertising expenses. निरंजन ये दिखाओ. Advertising expenses, in which it is also written GST payable. Do you see GST payable and state government payable? Are you seeing this, Niranjan? Are you seeing this, Nupur? How we put it, GST payable and all? Which company does GST? You are a chartered accountant, MR. Which company puts its accounts like this, GST payable? Hansa Research?
Everybody does.
You are a chartered. Now you tell me. What should I do anymore? If this is not a witch hunt, what is?
Arnab, this deplorable attempt. Arnab.
This is my
Arnab, this
account book, viewers.
Yes.
I will go, and they say they want to fix me. I will go with 1,000 account books. People, why did
Arnab,
they invest in my company? Because I'm a damn honest journalist.